In this video, I'll show you how to add social media icons to WordPress header. Let's get started. So if you want to add social media icons right here, what you can do is you can head over to your dashboard and install a plugin. So scroll down until you can see the option for plugins. Click on this add new plugin right here. And then once you have clicked on that, you should be able to see the plugin marketplace of WordPress. Click on this search icon right here and search in here for menu image. And then from in here, we should be able to see some search results related to this. Now in here, you can see this menu image right here. And you can also see in here this menu image by Freshlight. So for us, let's choose this menu image by Freshlight Lab. Now from in here, let's click on this install and activate. And then it will install this particular plugin to our actual WordPress. Once you have installed that, let's head over to our menus. So let's click on appearance, click on menus right here, and then let's create a new menu that we will call social. So for this one, you can also select a menu that you want to edit for this one. But for this, let's head over and then add new menus. Click on this, create a new menu. And then from in here, you should be able to create it. So for example, let's name this social. And then assign it as desktop expanded menu. Click on this create menu right here. And then from in there, it should be created. Now from in here, we can actually add some things. So for this one, let's add in here custom links. And then for this one, for example, let's add in here a Facebook link. Now on this link, let's name this Facebook. And then let's click on this add to menu. And then as you can see, it's been added. Now in here, let's also add another one. And let's name this one Instagram. Click on this add to menu. And as you can see, they have been added. Now in here, you can click on this plus icons right here, but this one is actually from WP. So if you want to add a specific icon that only made for you, we can head over and add it. So you can expand the menu item and click on this add image icon. So from in here, it will open an actual library. But for this one, let's open in here a new tab and let's search in here for a Facebook icon that we can use. And let's make this pink. And then let's head over to images and let's just choose an image that you want to use for this one. So for example, for this, let's choose this cute Facebook icon right here. And then let's head over and then just try to download this. Once it's been saved, let's head back right here to our menu. Now this is what it will look like. Now let's head over and set an image. Click on the set image. And then from in here, let's head over and upload the file. Click on select right here and then let's upload the file that we have just downloaded earlier, which is this Facebook right here. Now as you can see, it's been uploading, and once it's been uploaded, click on the select option right here. And as you can see, this is what it will look like. So head over and click on the save image. Then it will save these changes that we have created. So when you head over and then click on save menu, you should be able to actually see the changes that it has made. Now on this right here, let's head over to our actual website. And here you can see the option for menu. And as of right now, you can see this Facebook, and this is the icon that we have actually added. So that's the whole process. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like below or subscribe because it helps reach more people. See you soon.